TS SI prelims question. A can do the work in 18 days. B do in 12 days. LCM, find out the LCM. LCM will be 36. 36 is the total work. 18 2 times 12 3 times. These are the efficiencies of A and B. Efficiencies of A and B. Total work 36 units. In that, A finishes the remaining work in 3 days. Means 3 days. Remaining last 3 days, A do the work. A efficiency is 2. Means 2 into 3, 3 days. 2 efficiency into 3 days, 6 units. A completes 6 units. Remaining 30 units are there. Means 36 minus 6, 30 units will be completed by both A and B. Okay, total units by A plus B efficiency 2 plus 3, 5, 6 times. So 6 is the answer. Number of days B worked 6.